Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to share with you guys a package that I received from Beautometry. These products were sent to me to review and share with you. A big thank you to Beautometry for this beautiful package. If you haven't heard about Beautometry, they offer unique nail products from all over the world. You can find them at beautometry.com. Let's take a look at each item individually. I'll start with this beautiful Danglefoot Polish, which is the first product that I swatched, and I'll put on the screen what it looks like as I'm applying it. This nail polish is from the UK, and as you can see, it is stunning. It has a beautiful shift and it's reflective. This one is called Welcome to Jurassic World, and it's a reflective glitter for the Mani Box 2022. It's my first Danglefoot polish. Next, we have this Cuticle Putty, which is actually a product from Beautometry. It is made in the USA. This one is called Chocolate Covered Cherries. It's very moisturizing for your cuticles and it smells amazing. A little bit goes a long way. I love to massage it and keep my cuticles moisturized. It feels amazing and it's not greasy. Next up, we have these beautiful Hit the Bottle stamping polishes. This is an Australian brand, and these are my first Hit the Bottle stamping polishes. They're 5 free. This one is called Ice Mojito 2.0. Next up, we have Peppermint Zombie. The yellow is called Lemon Meringue Fizz. This beautiful light blue is called Arctic Cloudberry. And finally, we've got this beautiful dark blue called Cooking Up a Storm. And we're going to be testing out these stamping polishes using the new Beautometry stamping plates. These are the 3 that they sent me, so I'm going to open them up and share them with you guys. I really like how well packaged everything is. On the back, you can see they have their logo, Beautometry. And all the plates come with a protective blue film, which you have to peel off before you can stamp. This one is called Beautometry Witches 1. And I'm going to try to get a close-up of the plate without getting the lights. That's kind of tricky because obviously this is a reflective material. Let's peel off the protective blue film. Let's see if we can get a better shot of the plate. I love that her images are so large so you can get a full nail image. Even if your nails are super long, you'll be able to get the complete image on your nail. And I really like that she has wording. One of my favorite things is to do the words in the background and then a smaller image on top. And this plate is full of layered images. So for example, this little witch, and then you have the outline right here. That's really nice. And so is the skeleton and the cat. So you can really play around with the designs on your nails. The witch's plate is perfect for Halloween. Next, we have this one called Dino 1, and it's full of super cute dinosaur images and beautiful prints. I also love that she included the alphabet and numbers. Let's peel off the blue film. And lastly, we've got this one. This one is called Everglades 1. Now we're going to test out the stamping polishes. Let's start with the pink one. Oh, I took too long. It dried on the stamper, but that looks really good. I'm just going to apply a little bit of clear polish so that it sticks to the mat. Looks beautiful. Next, let's try the green one. I love that you can see it so much even over the black. Now we'll do the yellow. It dried on the stamper so it didn't stick to the mat. I applied a little bit of clear polish here so that I can stamp the other ones without any problems. Let's do the yellow one more time. It's beautiful. Now we'll do the light blue. And finally, the darker blue. The darker blue doesn't show up as much over black, obviously, because it's a really dark color, but over the white, it looks really, really nice. You can still see it even over black. It just doesn't pop as much as the other shades. But they're all beautiful and they stamp great. I'm excited to try these on all my nail designs. Let's do some stamping over my nails. I wanted a subtle background, but this color is blending in too much to the blue, so I'm going to try a different color. But you can see that even though the wording is super tiny, the words are clear and you can actually read them. That is amazing. Look at that. I'm going to try with the light blue. To finish off, I want to apply a matte top coat over the stamped nails, and then over the other two, I'll just apply a glossy top coat. When the matte top coat dries, the manicure is complete, and I love the way it turned out. As you can see, the stamping polishes, the gorgeous Danglefoot polish, and the stamping plates work beautifully. So if you're interested in purchasing any of these products, be sure to check out the Beautometry website, which I'll have linked in the description box of this video. Thank you once again to Beautometry for sending me this beautiful package. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!